Welcome to the Aksarben Mortgage Myths and Facts. I'm John Major, and with me,
And I'm Nick Zwiebel.
and we are mortgage advisors with over 25 years of experience. What does that mean, Nick?
We're here to help you experience your good life.
Yes, we are. All right, our next mortgage myth or fact: the lowest interest rate is not always the best option.
That is true, John. So when you're out there shopping for different mortgage loans and interest rates, a lot of people always tout, especially in the media, that the lowest rate is always the best option. When it comes to the lowest rate, you got to look at the overall cost. So sometimes to get that low interest rate, you may be paying additional points, or we call them discount points, where you're paying a few $1,000s or more to get a little bit lower interest rate. And also there is different programs out there where you can put as little as 3 or 5% down payment on a conventional loan and eliminate the mortgage insurance, which is an additional payment on your loan for maybe a little bit of an upfront cost, or increasing the interest rate a little bit to eliminate that monthly PMI, which in turn helps you get an overall lower payment, even though you're paying a little bit higher interest rate. I always say you don't pay interest rate, you pay payment. So always, when you're shopping around, you got to look at the bottom line payment and their overall cost to get to that interest rate and payment.
Great point. I think the question as far as how long somebody's going to be in a home, which that's always tough to know for sure, can play a role in that as well.
Yeah, definitely as well. So a lot of programs out there that might be paying a little bit higher interest rate, but if you're in the home for 5, 7, 8, 9 years, that monthly mortgage insurance will go away. So even though you're paying a little bit higher interest rate in the beginning, the overall payment may go down years down the road. And so that higher interest rate might actually end up being a lower payment down the road.
Very good point. Thank you, Nick.
You're welcome, John.